What's up, guys? Welcome back to Timo Paints. And today I thought it'd be cool to do like a little breakdown of these live estimates that I do. So on my channel, I have a series where I bring like a hidden camera and I record the entire estimate to kind of give you guys an idea of how to approach prospects. We're going to start with number one. This is the episode 1 on that series. I'm going to break down whether or not I got the job, why I didn't get the job, and whether or not I wanted the job. And I'll talk about how I got it, because in the leads I don't really, or in the actual jobs I don't really explain. In the videos I don't actually explain how I got the job. So right off the bat, when I first got here, it was strange because I didn't really get to introduce myself. He was kind of waiting outside for me, and being that I guess like maybe we met on Facebook, like he already knew my name and everything, and he was expecting me. So he's out watering the grass. I come pulling up and he's like, yeah, so I want to paint it red, and I got the paint inside. And it was just like super awkward, because normally I like to, hello, my name's Tim, blah, 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 shake your hand, get to know the guy a little bit for about a minute or two, and then whatever. So he was real particular, very picky, had a lot of questions. And right out the gate, I was thinking, hey, I don't really want to work for this guy. It was a cheap lead. I only paid $1 for this lead. I ran a Facebook ad and we got about 24 leads or something like that, or 22 leads for like $24. So it wasn't a big loss or anything. So that's what I learned on this job. I didn't get the job, which I'm okay with. He called me back and asked me, are you going to prime it? I explained to him like my process on painting. He didn't seem to like that process for whatever reason. I feel like maybe he had a buddy that was going to do it and just needed a price to kind of base what he's going to pay his buddy or something. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you guys are interested in starting your own paint business, or if you need help estimating, I have a free estimating sheet in the description below. So check that out and subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful at all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.